Good job. Good job, Annalise. Oh, watch out. Don't move. He went to get his bike.
Look, you see, they're past those. The cars are pump you. These cars are bump you in the head.
Come on, Annalise.
I can't have it.
Tell her to go this way.
No! No! I'm too sorry to them.
Annalise.
Because bump my girl.
My girl? Your girl?
Yeah. Oh, that's a good. Oh, I saw down leaves. Look.
Put leaves in your pocket?
Yeah. I don't have one like this.
You don't have one like that?
No. I don't find.
Hey, baby. Okay, I got it.
Mommy, I would like to.
Annalise, they're upside down, baby. You